It's time for another playlist of music that you can listen to while you're making art and working on creative projects. The theme for the playlist this month is 1980s and 1990s R&B and rap. You can listen to this playlist on Google Play Music, and there's a link down in the video description, or you can look up a lot of these songs on YouTube. A lot of these songs were songs that came out when I was growing up, so I'll just talk about a few of my favorites here. One of my favorite songs in this list is Back in the Day by Ahmad Lewis, and it has a really nice hook from a Teddy Pendergrass song called Love TKO. I have another favorite underneath that, and that's Never Crossed My Mind by Skilo. Skilo has a really nice rap flow. And then of course you can't have 90s rap without including Nate Dogg. Nate Dogg's one of my favorite rappers because he has a lot of nice melodic parts in his songs. Also, Rumors by Club Nouveau is a really good track. We got some New Edition, we got some Chucky Booker. Of course, Michael Jackson's on here. Thriller is one of the albums that I listened to a lot when I was younger. If I scroll down a little bit more here, Spread My Wings by Troop is also a great track. And then we end it strong with The Secret Garden Sweet Seduction Suite featuring Barry White, Al B. Sure, James Ingram, and El DeBarge. It doesn't get any better than that. So if you're a fan of 80s and 90s rap R&B, definitely check out this playlist. As always, if there's a genre of music that you'd like me to include in my next music playlist to listen to while making art, comment down below. And if you enjoy these music playlists, take a quick second to click the like button on this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.